Hi there, I'm Kevin Coulston. Welcome back to another shape drawing challenge. Today we're going to draw 3 characters with this shape. Alright, to get started you're going to want to draw the 3 triangles you see here on your screen. If you need to pause, take a few minutes to draw these out, that's totally okay. Just take your time and let's get ready to have some fun. Alright, for this first one I'm going to draw a bird because the sharp angles of this triangle, I immediately thought of a beak, and that is what we are drawing here right now. We've got that cute eye, we've got a beak going on, 2 little cheek feathers, an eyebrow, and how about some feathers on the back of his head here. It's a pretty cool looking bird. And for this next one, why don't we do a robot? These 2 eyes here, do a big mouth. It's not really looking like a robot yet, but we gotta trust the process. Promise he's not gonna be a happy Dorito. There we go. Give him some eyes like C-3PO. Put some screws in his forehead and cheeks here. Over here, why don't we do a cool little... I'm gonna do like a wire on the side of his head. Really let you know he's a robot. Add some little lines on the wire for detail. We'll do maybe some buttons. After this antenna, we'll do some buttons. Yeah, and that's good. And then I think for the last one, let's do something you totally wouldn't expect. Let's draw some big cute eyes. Cute nose. Big animal mouth here. Some buck teeth. Eyebrows. Some big bunny ears. And we'll give him some fuzzy cheeks. And we'll give him some hair on the top of his head. There you've got it. We've got a bird, a robot, and a bunny, all with a triangle. And there are hundreds, if not thousands, of other ideas you guys can come up with on your own. So draw these triangles again or create new shapes and see what you come up with on your own. Thanks for drawing with me today, guys, and I'll see you next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing challenge as much as I did. If you'd like to learn how to draw more silly characters like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and be sure to check out my drawing books on firstartbooks.com.